How to make and create a business logo on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional business logo easy and fast. Go to canva.com and log into your account, click on create a design and search for logo. Click on the first option, it will take you to this page. Now go right here on this side and scroll down until you find a business logo option right here, and here is it. Now click on see all and choose any template you want from here. You have many templates. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and you can edit the text very easy. How to media. As you can see, it looks so professional, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later. Thank you so much.